Hi, I'm Azuz. When it comes to tax day, getting down to brass tacks can be kind of taxing, so maybe the best way to account for it is to attack the subject head on. Let's do that with a bit of trivia. Which amendment to the US Constitution gave the government the power to collect income taxes? The 8th, the 14th, the 16th, or the 25th Amendment? Since it was ratified in 1913, the 16th Amendment has given Congress the authority to collect income taxes. Given when that ratification happened, the few Americans who actually did have to pay income taxes paid only 1%. So that was a slippery slope. And with the nation's federal tax structure being far more complicated today than it was 100 years ago, Americans have a deadline for when their taxes need to be filed. That day, appropriately known as, Tax Day, is usually scheduled for April 15th, and it's when they have to have their tax records in order from the previous year. If people miss that deadline, like an 11th grader who's tardy to class, they can ask the government for more time by filing an extension. But either way, if they owe money, they're expected to pay up by April 15th. This year, Tax Day actually falls on April 18th. The 15th was a Saturday. Monday the 17th is when the government observes Emancipation Day, so federal taxes are due on Tuesday. And many of the states that tack on their own income taxes, in addition to the federal ones, also have the same deadline. So if you see some folks you know hunched over a calculator and grumbling about the IRS, which enforces US tax law, keep in mind they're probably just thinking they're overtaxed. I'm Azuz reporting for Sonlight.